guys, what's up? Hope you all are doing great. We are back and bang on with another reaction video, people. Firstly, before getting into reaction, thank you so much for all the new subscribers. Basically our friends, I would love to say that way. For subscribing to our channel means a lot. Thank you so much, and stay connected so that you can watch all other reaction videos as well. Today we're going to react on one of the track which has just been produced from Nabeel Akbar in collaboration with Tala Younes. So we all know how great hip hop artists they are, right? So we have been reacting on these songs quite a while now, and we've been enjoying listening to their tracks. Beautiful numbers, right?
Produced by Joke, and we know what Joke can do, right? So he can create havoc in the music industry, and he has done that. So talking about the song that we did last time, it was produced by Joke. The name of the song is Aukat, and we will link it down in the description, guys. So thank you for the love that you have shown for that song as well. So having said that, let's move into the reaction, right, Dimple?
Yes, let's get into the reaction, people.
मैं लिखता सच जो भी जिंदगी में देखा हमने, कम अकल करते नकल खुद को मेरे जैसा समझे, एक्टिंग टफ खाली बातें करें बड़ी बड़ी, अब मेरी वापसी से रैपरों की जली पड़ी, they just wanna be तभी इनकी फटी पड़ी, मैं तेरा बुरा वक्त देख ले तू घड़ी बड़ी, महंगे पड़ेंगे ये पंगे बिला वजह के तू देख, तुझसे पहले ऐसे कितनों की बलि चढ़ी, आ दिखाऊं तुझे कैसे होते हाथ से, एक और खून शायद लिखा मेरे हाथ से, चल अब दिखाना किधर गई वो तेरी अकड़, अगली बार ये सवाल मैं पूछूंगा तेरी लाश से, stay in your lane वरना जाएगा तू ठोक, ain't no such things like halfway crooks, रात 2:30 बजे नशे में बैठा हुआ धुत, चोटे खाई मैंने काफी तभी सीखा काफी कुछ ज्यादा था नहीं पास अपना शुरू से खाली ग्लास, ऊपर से सर पे था नहीं बाप, मैं घर से बाहर सारी रात, काफी जिम्मेदारी कैसे लौटू घर में खाली हाथ, आ रहा मुझको माजी याद जो कर चुके हम दफन, अंडरग्राउंड अंडर कवर मुझको सुने तेरी लवर, मैं किधर किसके साथ तुझे थोड़ी भी नहीं खबर, तेरी जगह तेरा शहर फिर भी नहीं सकता तू पकड़, पूरे 6 फीट डीप तेरी खोद दूंगा कबर, सबको लगेगा मरा तू मौत हादसा दी, डोंट नीड नो वेपन तेरे लिए तो मेरे हाथ काफी, बेशक गरीब पर तू जो ढूंढे मेरे पास चाबी, मैं वो फकीर जिससे झुके मिले बादशाह भी, I do it for love जो मुझे कभी मिला नहीं, I do it for love मुझे किसी से कोई गिला नहीं, I do it for love जब तक चले मेरी नब्ज़, which I'm loyal to the game मुझे कोई भी सकता हिला नहीं, I do it for love, yeah, I do it for love, yeah, I do it for love, yeah, bitch I'm loyal to the game मुझे कोई भी सकता हिला नहीं, कलम बंदूक ये सब वाकिफ है मेरे निशाने नहीं चूकते, भागे नहीं लूट के एक दिन में लगा देते करियर में नोकते, निकट वे घूट फिर वो लड़के भी चौड़े जो आ जाते कुट कर, सिटी है मैड हम कैसे हो गुड, फिर नहीं आया आता किसी की हम छुप कर, लिखूं एक रात में जो वो तू लिख के दिखा दे एक साल ले ब्रो, फंसू ना किसी भी जाल में हो, नजर है मेरी हर चाल पे ब्रो, मैं खाना बदोश है ऊपर की सोच, हम करेंगे शोज ये बनेंगे गोश्त, नहीं करूंगा टेस्ट मैं करूंगा रोज, तू करेगा स्नेच तो मरेगा दोस्त, हाथ बांध तेरे लिए मेरे यारी काफी, हर गाने पे आता मैं काम काजी खाम खाए, लड़कियां के टांग अड़ाते कान बचा ले, तो बेटे जान बचा ले, ये तो गांडू साले आके बाल बना रहे, अभी हड बिलौड़े के हम चांद पे जा रहे, फूकू सेट पे अपने काम पे चौड़े, मेरी हाइट और मेरी लाइफ एक दौड़ है, क्लिक क्लैक बूम आई डोंट नीड टैटूज, सिट दैट ट्रू रियल हिप हॉप, फायर इन द बूथ शायरी लिखूं, डायरी भरूं हर वर्ड सब फायरी लिखूं, आई एम द प्रोडिजी दिस इज माय प्रॉपर्टी, दिल में जगह बड़ी मेरी मोनोपोली, हिप हॉप में खापड़ नहीं मिलनी दगा बड़ी, पुल अप ऑन यू विद अ 9mm, मेरे शूटर सारे शेर तेरे लौंडे सारे गीदड़, हर देसी रैपर को इंस्पायर करें जिगर, रखी फिंगर ऑन द ट्रिगर, अपनी पिक्चर होती फिगर, खाले ओ धेड़ दे नकलियों को भेड़ दे, पक्के हम जबान के ये नाम बना स्टेज नेम, क्या अंडरग्राउंड और क्या मेन स्ट्रीम, जस्ट एन आर्टिस्ट डूइंग माय थिंग दिस माय डे ड्रीम, तो लो से वाकिफ तो क्यों करने दे फिर छानबीन, वक्त बदलता साथ बदले इंसान भी, रैप को पहचान दिए हाजिर है ये जान भी, ढूंढ के दिखा दे साले गोली मेरे नाम की, I do it for love जो मुझे कभी मिला नहीं, I do it for love मुझे किसी से कोई गिला नहीं, I do it for love जब तक चले मेरी नब्ज़, which I'm loyal to the game मुझे कोई भी सकता हिला नहीं, I do it for love, yeah, I do it for love, yeah, I do it for love, yeah, bitch I'm loyal to the game मुझे कोई भी सकता हिला नहीं, पहली बात के गद्दारी की है सजा भारी, दूसरी बात के गुलामी नहीं है वफादारी, तू भला करेगा तो होगा तेरा भला भी, तू आज मेहनत करेगा कल होगी तेरी जगह भी है पास, इतने राज पूरा काम चाहे कराची, कलाम सा इंसाना पूरा जानता है कराची, नहीं करना चाहता साबित मेरा हर गली में वाकिफ बिना ताज चले राज जैसे बाप का है कराची, है मुझको फिक्र तेरी शायद तुझको लगता नहीं, शॉर्टी वाना पिया था बेटा तेरे बस का पुरानी, जिस्म से निकले रूह तो फिर दोबारा डलती नहीं, तो गलती से भी ऐसी कभी करना तुम फिर गलती नहीं। ये कहते मुझको संगी सही हर किसी से बनती नहीं, जो बोला मैंने करा भी, मैं देता खाली धमकी नहीं। घुसे अंदर सीधा तोड़ के दरवाजे, मेरे लड़के तेरे घर पे जाके मारेंगे सिर्फ घंटी नहीं। You're just a kid बेटे अभी बना मर्द नहीं, तुझ में मुझ में फर्क ये कि तुझको दिखे फर्क नहीं। ये जैसे जंगल you can call it Madagascar, ये कल के बच्चे सीखे मुझसे I'm the grand master। साथ निभाया मैंने जिसके साथ भी खाया, मैंने कितना कुछ गवाया, मैंने कितना कुछ कमाया। ऐसे इन्हीं लोगों को या नाम मेरा याद, खतरनाक हूँ मैं इतना मुझसे डरे मेरा साया। Don't wanna talk नहीं ये फालतू का पास टाइम, when I record पकड़ लेता खुद से आँख माइक। स्टार लाइफ नहीं मैं जी रहा ये डार्क लाइफ, ठोक दूंगा भड़वे अब दोबारा कोई आवाज आई। I do it for love जो मुझे कभी मिला नहीं, I do it for love मुझे किसी से कोई गिला नहीं। I do it for love जब तक चले मेरी नब्ज, which I'm loyal to the game मुझे कोई भी सकता हिला नहीं। I do it for love, yeah, I do it for love, yeah, I do it for love,
Man, that bass.
yeah, bitch I'm loyal to the game मुझे कोई भी सकता हिला नहीं।
Treat, man, treat. This is like
Oh,
crazy, man. Lyrics, the beat, and production by Joki, man.
just loved it. Yeah. Oh my god.
We'll talk about it, guys.
People, that was super fantastic track from Nabil Akbar with Tala Yunis. Just loved it. Music part, Joke, we know how Joke is with playing with the music, right? So,
Absolutely.
oh my god, the way it started was like killer, man. Oh my god, I don't know what to say about the music.
The bass, no?
But yeah, that's what and each section of the verse that they were singing, they had different kind of like music as well, which was so interesting to listen to. Okay, and it just started with Nabil Akbar.
Absolutely.
Yeah, just loved it. Yeah, really.
So I think the beat music production was like great, and the use of turntables in between, like a DJ feel, was
Yeah.
awesome, and the bass was like kind of drill. But talking about the entire song, right? So I see a lot of vengeance and a point to prove to somebody. So again, when we left from Aukat, this is a continuation of Aukat, but something very personal. So it looks like Nabil has come back after some time, right? And he's trying to prove a point to somebody. Now, who is that somebody? I don't know. I think that's the beauty, right? That's what he talks in the first lyrics, right? So he's talking about I am back, and
Nabil Akbar, and oh my god, he's a bomb with his words.
Absolutely.
The lyrics, the bars that he's shooting is like, oh my god, yeah.
yeah, I think to summarize, right? So Nabil is basically talking about his return, मैं वापस आ चुका हूँ, kind of thing, and he's telling all the other rappers or all the other haters, be in your limits, right? So that was the essence from Nabil's point, and he also talked about he has nothing to lose, or he comes from a family where he had to struggle. So even if he has to get into a fight, he is ready to do that. Pretty scary lines, lot of vengeance, and he is talking about Las and all those things, which is brutal. But the intent is he's honest to his skill, that is hip hop, and he's telling, don't try to mess with me. I think that was the entirety of Nabil's first stanza, and with that, coming to Tala Yunis, man, with his dominance in the hip hop world and what he can do. He can spoil careers of people, so don't try to mess with me. I know what I'm doing. I think that is what his lines were. He talked a little bit about Khana Bado's Haath Band and the 9mm, that stanza, my god. So basically, he's trying to tell people not to mess with him. He has achieved a lot in life, and if somebody is trying to even mess with his friend, he is there to stand. I think that was the essence of the entire song, and the way he talked about he will roast in his song, not only roast but brutally bury the people in his song, was like brilliant.
Yeah.
He told that whatever he writes in a day, people might take years to write that. Brilliant execution again, and the flow was like immaculate, right? So we know Tala Yunis king, so I was blown away by the flow. So I think that is what he was basically trying to support Nabil again. basically saying that do
Yeah.
not try to mess with the gang. And they were, I don't know who is the person, if you guys know it, link it down, but they were brutal. I think something has happened, but we loved the music overall. It was great, right, Dimple?
Of course, it was like super fantastic.
And the last closing thing was basically a brotherhood, fraternity in Karachi, what they do, how many people know them, and basically telling other people to be in their lane, not to cross the limit, otherwise things will be bad. I think that is how it ended. So beautiful, beautiful, man. We just loved it, right, Dipper?
Yeah, how do they even think and write all these, man? Oh my god.
This is like crazy one shot to understand, listen to music, and tell the story is tough, but we are trying our best. So if you're liking what we are doing, do subscribe, right?
Alright, people, so that was the track For Love. Just loved it, man. The word itself, love, right? Oh my god, it was very difficult to be understood, but at the same time, we know how difficult they are with their words, and it's like really top notch. The every time when they come up with their tracks are like really awesome, you know. These are going to be in our playlist, and I think this song needs to be played now and again whenever
It's
you
for
want
love,
to listen.
guys.
Yeah,
It's
people,
for
so-
love of all of you.
yeah, so we have been loving Youngsters, and now Nabil Akbar. You know, first time we are reacting on him as well, and we also have been getting requests to react on this track, right, from our new friends.
Yeah,
So
yeah. Thank you for that.
this is the reaction for you people, okay? So having said that, people, if you are new to our channel, please do subscribe, okay, and stay connected with us. Like, share, comment.
Bye. Take care.
Bye.